Welcome back, future orthodontists. Today we discuss functional appliances, key tools for modifying jaw growth in growing patients. Functional appliances are removable or fixed devices that use muscular forces to influence jaw growth and dental alignment primarily in growing patients. Remember the mnemonic MFJ, muscles, force, jaw. Types include removable functional appliances like Twin Block and Frankel, fixed functional appliances like Herbst and Mara, and hybrid appliances, which combine removable and fixed. Mnemonic RFH, removable, fixed, hybrid. Choice depends on patient compliance, age, and severity of skeletal discrepancy. Indications include Class 2 skeletal correction, mandibular deficiency, growing patients, mild crowding correction, and habit modification. Mnemonic CMGMH. Class 2 mandible, growth, mild crowding, habits. Advantages include guiding jaw growth naturally, reducing the need for surgery, being non-invasive, and improving facial aesthetics. Mnemonic GRNI, growth guidance, reduce surgery, non-invasive, improve aesthetics. Clinical tips include ensuring correct fit and bite registration, instructing the patient on wear schedule, monitoring growth and tooth movement, and adjusting the appliance as needed. Mnemonic FWMA, fit, wear, monitor, adjust. To summarize, functional appliance essentials are definition, MFJ, muscles, force, jaw, types, RFH, removable, fixed, hybrid, indications, CMGMH, class 2, mandible, growth, mild crowding, habits. Advantages, GRNI, growth guidance, reduce surgery, non-invasive, improve aesthetics. Clinical tips, FWMA, fit, wear, monitor, adjust. Quiz time. Question 1. What does MFJ stand for? Question 2. Types mnemonic. Question 3. Indications mnemonic. Question 4. Advantages mnemonic. Excellent! You now understand functional appliances, their types, indications, advantages, and clinical tips. Next video, orthodontics with orthoganic surgery.